Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. If your check engine light is on and you've scanned your car only to see code P0404, don't panic. In today's video, we're going to break down exactly what this code means, what causes it, and how to fix it, step by step. The EGR system, exhaust gas recirculation, reduces nitrogen oxide, NOx emissions by recirculating a portion of the exhaust gases back into the engine intake. The EGR valve is controlled electronically in modern vehicles, either directly by the PCM, powertrain control module, or through a solenoid. Common causes of P0404. Number 1. Faulty EGR solenoid. The solenoid may fail to open or close properly, or the valve may be stuck due to carbon buildup. Faulty EGR solenoid or EGR valve. The solenoid may fail to open or close properly, or the valve may be stuck due to carbon buildup. Number 2. Wiring issues. Includes damaged wires, frayed insulation, corroded or loose connectors, or short open circuits in the EGR control circuit. Visually inspect the harness leading to the EGR valve and solenoid. Check for frayed wires, corrosion, broken insulation, loose connectors or bent pins. Number 3. Blown fuse. A blown fuse can prevent the solenoid from receiving power. Identify the EGR or emissions-related fuse. Pull the fuse and inspect it for continuity or a visible break. Number 4. Faulty PCM. The engine control module may have an internal fault, affecting how it controls the EGR system. The ECM may not be sending the correct signal to the glow plug circuit. Reprogram or replace ECM. Only after ruling out all other causes, have the ECM checked and possibly reprogrammed or replaced. Number 5. Poor electrical connection. Intermittent or poor contact can cause voltage irregularities and trigger the code. If no voltage or incorrect signals are found, trace wiring back to the ECM for continuity and shorts. Always remember, before replacing the solenoid, test its resistance with a multimeter. Compare the reading to the manufacturer's recommended value. If it's out of spec, replace the solenoid. By using these fixes, you can approach the P0404 code with a more efficient, thorough, and precise strategy. Whether you're an experienced DIYer or a professional mechanic, these insights will help you fix the issue right the first time. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.